Okay, good evening, girls.
Mom, we got our marks.
Okay, so what's the marks?
Mom, I got 43 out of 50.
Okay, in the complete computer science portion.
No, Mom, this is for the AI. They
Okay,
have given the computer science marks.
okay. So what are the questions and which are the questions were not correct?
Yes, ma'am, I had a doubt in the question paper.
Yeah. Please share with me.
Ma'am, I got 38 points.
Okay. You also tell me what was the problems you faced in the exam. Okay.
Ma'am, for the section, ma'am, for the 13th question,
Okay. Let me just check 13th question first. Yeah. The marketing impact one, right? The marketing team.
yes, ma'am. For
Okay.
that, I wrote about data science, but my teacher told that it's about NL.
Okay, let's check. Okay, I'll just share my screen and we'll decode the question step by step and see what it says. Okay, confirm me once you are able to see my screen.
Yes,
It's visible.
yes.
Okay, so what does the question say, girls? That a marketing team of Impact Solutions uses an AI tool to monitor social media platforms for their brand. So what they are doing, they are analyzing the social media. Okay, clear? So that they can generate some reports and study the market. Okay, now by analyzing the post, so first thing they are analyzing the post can be an image, a text or something like that. You have a festival in your house, you have uploaded picture of you and Sadhna, right?
Yes.
And you have written celebrating this and this festival, you have done this post. Okay, and on this your friends have commented nice pic, looking good, like these comments. So this is the post, right? And this is the comment. Clear?
Yes.
Now similarly what happens, next thing is and tweets. You have posted this post on Twitter. Twitter is a social media platform, so some tweets are also being generated, and tweets are also some text or some images. Clear?
Yes.
This is the question, right? The system was detect emerging trends, public sentiments, and see, public sentiments is the keyword here. First keyword was latest emerging trends is okay, but public sentiments, right? Got the keyword? Public sentiment, third line, third word.
Yes, ma'am.
And identify potential issues. This immediate feedback helps the team respond quickly to customer inquiring, manage brand reputation, and adjust marketing strategy based on the current conversation. So it is completely based on these conversations. And conversations are done in girls' language. You need some language to communicate to each other.
Mom, but why can't it also be data science? Because the post and text also involves images, right? Ma'am? So the NLP alone cannot decode all this.
See, what they are saying is current conversation can only be analyzed using not images but text. If they would they have told her do the analysis based on the images provided, then it will be computer vision. But they have,
since it was related to market and also it involved text and images, so I thought data science.
See, they have never written anywhere in the question of something about image. They were already talking about to see the keyword I am telling you now. The keyword was see sentiment. Sentiment topic comes under NLP. That was the keyword. You have to ignore everything else. Okay, Sanjana. Marketing team is a illusion. AI tool is a illusion. Okay, all these are illusions. See, the bigger the question is, the more they will try to distract you from the original answer. So try to find the keywords. What are the important keywords? Conversation is an important keyword. Sentiment is an important keyword, right? Comments. They are analyzing again and again. They are saying that we are analyzing the comments, public sentiments, potential issues. These all can be resolved using NLP because they have to understand the language, no? The communication that is been happening between the two consumers, right? Got that? Why the answer is NLP?
Yes.
Okay, great. Any other question?
Yes, ma'am. The MCQs, first question.
Okay, just a minute. Page number 1 itself.
Yes, page.
Okay, MCQ. The page is very much blurred, but question number 1, cyber security one.
Yes, ma'am. Should I read?
No, it's much visible that I can. Okay, let's break that also. So what it says, statement 1. Cyber security provides security against malware. Okay,
Small.
against malware. Now you know what is malware.
Ma'am,
Do you know what is malware?
computer.
See, it is a type of virus. Okay, it is a type of virus which our computer faces when we download some cookies or something like that. Getting it? It is not a cyber attack. What I am saying, it's not a cyber attack. It's the antivirus solution that we need for that. Getting it?
Yes.
See, you download in your computers also, no?
Yes.
The antivirus software. You don't go to cyber expert for these types of viruses, right? So the answer is only statement 2 is correct.
Ma'am, I also wrote one statement 2 is correct. I wrote statement 1 is incorrect, but they told that both statements are correct.
Regarding malware also they have asked security against malware. Let me just check once.
Yes, ma'am, but I thought the cyber security only provides security against this virus and cyber terrorists, but they told both statements are correct.
Okay, just a minute. Let me just cross check once. Wait a minute. I have the answer key for this also. Generally, malware comes under viruses. So generally, I thought it will be under cyber security itself.
Ma'am, and I also have note in the fourth submission.
Just a minute. Let me just check for this answer. So it's in the definition of cybersecurity itself. Let me just tell you one thing.
Ma'am, is malware also related to cyber crimes?
Just a minute. See, cybersecurity provides security against malware, against cyber terrorism, and defend a device from threat. All the options for cybersecurity contains these options. See, malware is also correct. Cyber terrorist is also correct. Generally, otherwise the name of that antivirus software is malware. The name of the virus is not malware. The virus we use no antivirus defender. Its name is malware, but it's a threat, no? So they are considering it inside all the device threats. Any attack that is done on your system, either by internal process or by external process, cyber security will handle it. Okay, so both the answers are correct. Okay.
Also, the last page, second question, fifth subdivision, and subset of that question.
Okay. Last page. Last page, 15 question.
Sorry, the second question, fifth subdivision.
Second page.
The last page. Last page, fifth subdivision.
Fifth question.
Yes, ma'am. I'm a subset of AI.
Okay, fifth question. Which one?
I'm a subset of AI.
I am a subset of AI.
The last page.
Can you just share me the picture? I'm not able to find the question itself.
Yes.
Okay, let me just check the question. Which number? I am a subset of AI.
Yes.
I have the ability to develop algorithm on my own with the given raw data. I am helpful in advanced application. I am mostly used to applications that interpret images. Computer vision is the answer, girls. Let me just.
The answer was deep learning. Mom, I wrote neural networks.
Just a minute, girls.
I wrote vision. In class, they told that the answer is deep learning, but I wrote neural networks because in the textbook it was given that neural networks usually perform well in interpreting images than the normal machine learning algorithms.
Okay. Let me once cross verify it. What answer did your teacher give, girls?
Deep learning.
Okay. Yeah, deep learning is a subpart of neural network, no? So they are considering like this. See, I'll tell you the diagram. My screen is visible, no?
Yes.
This image we have studied, no?
We saw about AI and ML part of it.
Yeah. So it is saying that I am the advanced part, right? And I do the algorithms on my own. So that's the feature of deep learning. Like, see, machine learning can't do the algorithms on its own. Artificial intelligence also can't do it, but deep learning part can do that.
I mean, deep learning, the machine will perform vast amount of data.
Yes, so what is given in the question, no? See, in the question they are saying that just a minute, where is the question? I am a subset of AI. I have the ability to develop algorithm. Who can develop algorithm, girls? Only deep learning has the ability to develop the algorithm, right?
Yes,
Machine learning can't do it because we'll be using it for making the machine learning model.
yes.
See,
But I thought in deep learning, since good networks is part of it, and also since it's given that they used to perform well with images, that machine learning algorithm, I wrote neural networks, but our teacher didn't give us.
see, I'll tell you this diagram so that it will be justified. Okay, deep learning is a part of neural network is a part of deep learning, no, girls? So they are asking for the bigger picture. See,
Isn't deep learning part of neural networks?
see, this is the diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Artificial intelligence is the green box, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And inside we had deep learning, and inside deep learning we have neural network. So if they are asking that I am a subdomain of artificial intelligence, so what we will write? Deep learning, right? Because inside deep learning we'll get artificial intelligence. See, this is AI. Inside AI I am having deep learning, and inside deep learning I am having neural network. So what they are saying, I am a subset of AI. We are looking for the subset of AI. That is deep learning, not neural network.
Yes, ma'am. But why is deep learning only mostly used in applications that interpret images?
See, because deep learning has the ability to extract the information from the images. Because what happens when we generally talk about text data, it is already given. That the data is already given in the form of text. We don't have to find any hidden implementations. But in images, what happens? We have to study the image, the eyes of the image, the background, and everything. So the more we use neural networks, the number of neurons we use, it helps us to understand it deeply. That's why we are using deep learning for images.
Okay. Does computer vision come here?
Sorry?
Does computer vision come here?
No, first will design a machine learning model. That machine learning model will contain, see, this is the raw data you have collected. Data pre-processing is the data cleaning is done. Now in this exploratory data analysis and everything, data pre-processing, here computer vision comes in at the early stage. This is a part of machine learning. Computer vision is a part of machine learning, and deep learning is a part of artificial intelligence. Got the difference? So they are asking for artificial intelligence subset, not machine learning. If they have asked about machine learning, the answer would be computer vision. but they have asked for artificial intelligence. That's why the answer is deep learning.
Yes. Ma'am, and in the first page, fourth supply had a doubt. The first page, fourth supply.
Can you just share me the image? Okay. So the first page, which question number?
The one which I have marked orange.
Okay. At Apex Solution. Okay. Let me just decode this question. Okay, step by step. Okay. So we have a solution company. Neil and Banu struggles to work together efficiently because Neil is very detail oriented and prefers through explanation. Why? So Neil is the one who likes to deal with explanation. Okay. And Banu, another person, is more focused on big picture goal and quick decision. Okay, and this person is detail oriented. So what's the question? Their different communication style leads to frequent misunderstanding, causing delay in joint task and impacting the overall progress of their project. Right? What type of barrier is making the communication difficult here? Personal, there is no personal barrier. They can talk to each other. Organizational, there can be. Linguistic can be there, and interpersonal can be there. Is there any physical challenge they are facing, girls?
No, ma'am.
So what kind of physical challenges can be there if there is a question? How you identify if there is a physical challenge or not?
Physical challenges is when they're not able to understand the other people's communication. When, for example, if there is any disturbances in the surroundings, environmental differences.
So physical compatibilities only occur when there is an external disturbance, right?
Yes.
Right now we are not having any external disturbance available here. So physical one is removed, right?
Yes.
Now next is organizational. So how organizational, right?
Yes.
How organizational helps, girls?
The sentence that is happening in an organization.
No, I am asking that how do you identify if there is an organizational issue or not?
If there's an organizational issue, then the workers in an organization will not be able to effectively communicate what they think freely because of stringent rules that the company offers. And they need to be more firm.
So the problem is here. Okay, is there any additional problem that is causing organizational disturbance between these two?
The misunderstandings.
Sorry?
The misunderstandings.
There is misunderstandings, but is there any organizational issue that is prevalent?
It is these two people are working in an organization and cannot effectively complete it.
So majorly what type of issue is there? Organizational issue is been removed. There is no organizational issue.
There is an organization.
I am asking like what kind, how you identify that it is organizational. What keyword that you put?
From organization, only comes after this. It only comes between subordinate and the boss. They're not able to freely communicate because of the rules followed in the organization.
So right now both are on the same
Yes.
role, right? Both are on the same role, right? So
Yes.
there is no issue of boss and the employee, no hierarchical issue is there.
No, there is issues.
Sorry.
There is issues. While one is detail oriented, another person is not that is very easy to and is
So
more
there is, so this issue is their personality issues, right? Their personalities are different, right? One is detail oriented and another needs explanation, right?
Yes.
So see, if Sadhna is studying, okay, and you both decided that we'll study one chapter together, right? Sanjana wants that I will study each and every line, and once I'll complete my chapter, then only I'll be able to go to the questions that are given at the back of my book, okay? But Sadhana says, why to study the chapter, whole chapter? We'll go through the index and then go to the questions and see the questions first, and if some topics are there which I don't understand, then I'll read it. So one approach is detail oriented, right? And another approach is regarding what? Quick discussion, big picture goal, that my aim is to solve the questions. I can solve it just by going through the index, knowing the topics and everything, right?
Yes.
So the issue is between the personalities. Organization is helping, linguistic is helping. So communication doesn't help just because of interpersonal communication, no. Their internal issues are being dealing well. So I guess the answer is interpersonal. What's your answer?
I wrote organization.
Organizational. Is it correct? A teacher said, what's the reason?
Because here interpersonal will come in because the interpersonal barrier shows that to understand a person to understand the other's emotions.
So according to me, the answer is interpersonal because the issue is between the communication style, right? Between the peoples. So if they both have good interpersonal skills, they can resolve the issue. Sanjana, what do you write the answer?
Ma'am, I wrote interpersonal.
Yeah, it's correct. Interpersonal is correct, girls.
Yes.
Sadhana, you got it? Why it's correct?
Yes.
Okay. Organization will come when there is an issue with the organization of a company, or there is a barrier that you are not able to meet the person because they don't have time or everything. So there I'll say, you both go and manage your time. You organize your time, organize the space. Then organization will come. Okay?
Yes.
Getting it?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, girls.
No doubts. No doubts.
Okay. Let's discuss the paper first. Complete paper first.
Sure.
Okay, so that it will help us to understand more types of questions that will be asked in future. Okay, so we have discussed the first question.
Yes.
Now the second question is, identify the correct order of steps to be followed for effective time management.
Control, organize, control, prioritize, track.
First of all, we will organize, right? Why do we need to organize? Because if nothing is organized, how you will take control of things, right?
Yes.
So first organize, then controlling my environment. right? I have organized that I will work 3 hours today. So my 3 hour is my organization, right? That is my strict timing that I will follow. So if any other works comes beyond those things, I have to manage it in such a way that I can spare 3 hours for my study, and in the remaining hours I'll do other work. So that is the example of control. Now the third example is prioritize. Now I know I have 2 tasks to be done. One is studying, right? See, I have 3 tasks in a day. Okay, so you have say Hindi homework. You don't have Hindi, no, right? Wait. You have English homework, right? You have AI homework, and you have the say maths homework. Okay, now this is known as organizing, that you have collected all the important things that you have to do, right? Now to arrange the control, you will say my aim is in 24 hours I have to complete this. So you are trying to control your time, right? And then in prioritizing, what you will do, you will arrange, okay, first I'll do my AI homework, second I'll do my English homework, and third I will do my maths homework. This is prioritizing. And then tracking will be, okay, I have completed my AI homework, I have not completed my English homework, I have not completed my maths homework. This is known as tracking. So everything needs to be done according to the management skills. Clear? Next is Nisha, a team leader in a marketing firm, who notices that her recent meetings with her team has been less productive. Okay, you guys have done this question now. You will read it and explain me what answer you have given. Okay, that will be a great way.
Yes. So for this, should I read the question or
No.
explain the answer?
No. You read the question. One question Sanjana will read, one Sadhana. Okay, and if you are reading it, then you will explain it to me why the answer is correct. Okay, why other options are wrong. Okay.
Nisha, a team leader at a marketing firm, who notices that her recent meetings with her team have been less productive and their team seems disengaged. Nisha takes a moment to reflect on her own behavior and realizes she is speaking more than listening, inadvertently dominating conversations and not fully considering the team's input. Recognizing this, Nisha seeks feedback from colleagues and starts actively practicing empathy by listening more attentively and asking open-ended questions. An example of self-awareness. Self-motivation doesn't come because here Nisha tries to find out why her team is not providing productive results. For this, she is not motivated, and she's also not talking about the self-regulation. She's talking about awareness. She's becoming more aware of why her team is not giving productive results. So self-awareness is important.
Okay. Next.
A category of intelligence relating to religious and spiritual awareness is existential intelligence.
A category of intelligence related to religious and spiritual awareness. Why not religious intelligence?
Because there's no religious intelligence.
There is nothing like religious intelligence.
So,
See, the question is about two things. Whenever you have any type of questions that contain multiple choice, okay, there you have to check why the correct option is correct and also why the wrong option is wrong. Both things you have to manage. Okay, so religious intelligence is a type of intelligence, girls, in which we are obtaining and analyzing information about a sacred process. Okay, say I am following Hinduism, okay, you are following Christianity. If I'll come and say no, I don't understand Christianity, so I don't have that understanding about the Christian religion, I don't know what practice they do, so I'll go and understand that type of religion and gain some sacred phenomena about it. So my conflict will be resolved. That type of intelligence is known as religious intelligence.
Yes.
Okay, that if Christian people are using cross symbol, right, it is sacred to them, but for a Hindu person it is not sacred. So understanding the religion and its sacred rituals and symbols comes under religious intelligence. So there is a kind of intelligence. Okay, you can't say there is no religious intelligence. Which religion do you follow, girls? Hinduism. How do you know that Om symbol is sacred?
By knowing about
No, your parents have taught you in the childhood, right? This Om symbol is related to God Shiva, and we worship him, so it is sacred for us, right? So they have given you religious intelligence. Now if you go to another countries, they follow different cultures, right? Different forms. If you don't have that knowledge, then you don't have religious intelligence about their places, their leaders, their associations, right? If you know about Lord Shiva, or you know about Lord Vishnu, that is the religious intelligence of about Hinduism, right? But if you know something about Lord Jesus, Mother Mary, you have intelligence of Christianity, right? So, but the question here, let's back to the question. The category of intelligence related to religious and spiritual awareness is not religious intelligence. Okay, next, continue, Sadhana.
it is it's not existent. It is not interpersonal intelligence. Since nobody is trying to know about other person's feelings or emotions. And third option it will be existential intelligence, because we are knowing about our existence and spirituality.
So what happens in existential? Just explain it to me.
Existential intelligence, one will understand about the purpose of living and the life.
See, such questions, Sadhana, comes when we say some deep questions: why humans exist, what is the meaning of life, when we will die, where we have come from. These type of questions are related to spirituality, right? When we will die, where we have come from. This type of understanding, these deep questions, is known as existential intelligence. Okay, and here, because we are talking about religious and spiritual both, that's why the answer is existential intelligence. Got it? Now, what is spatial visual intelligence?
Spatial visual intelligence won't come here because we are not talking about any 3D images.
So when the word visual comes, that itself means that we are talking about something pictorial, right?
Yes.
Means we have seen something and we are trying to understand it, manipulate its information and everything, right? We have seen a diagram or we have seen an object, but right now we are not doing that, so this option is also incorrect. Okay, guys. Next question, girls.
Which of the following are examples of non-AI applications? Remote control drones, biometric systems, speech recognition system, imaging.
Okay, which one is not?
Ma'am, the order is interchangeable. See again. The order is interchangeable.
The order is?
Which of the following are examples of non-AI applications?
Non-AI, no? So first one, drone one, right?
Remote control drones are also non-AI application, because here the machine does not have the ability to make decisions, as it is already algorithms fitted inside the machines and they just have to follow these algorithms. Biometric system is an AI application. Speech recognition system is an AI application, as it includes the NLP. And image enhancer is also an example of the application of AI, as it uses computer vision. So the option is D, only Sorry, ma'am, B, only one.
Only one is not a
The
okay.
application, the
See.
non-AI
Huh.
application.
What happens, girls, in biometric systems? We put our thumb or our finger. It is an image that we are giving to the data as input. It will go to the database and check from all the images, is this customer registered? So it is type of AI application, right?
Yes.
In speech recognition, what is happening? I am giving some input and it will go to its data set and check from the machine learning model that it matches, then it is again AI model. Another object, image enhancers, means the filters that we are using, right? Snapchat filters we are using, Instagram filters we are using, right? Those are known as image enhancers. So to perfectly see, there is a image and there is a face. So how to fit the same filter on the same image, same place? That is AI intelligence, that is artificial intelligence. So the answer is only B, right? Next question.
A smartphone which we use. A smartphone which we use is a box full of sensors which are powered all the time while the phone is switched on. Whenever we download an app, we allow so many permissions the app asks for without a second thought. Which of the following ethical concern we are compromising here?
So what's the answer?
It is privacy. It will be the answer is second option, privacy, because the phone is the phone is made up of sensors and it is not a.
Yes, tell me. I want the reason why the other options are also incorrect. No. So if you'll tell me that okay, this is correct, this is not correct, tell me the reason also.
Here there is no bias because the phone is not considering one to be superior and one to be low, and the C option, accountability, also won't come because nobody is accountable here, and the second option, privacy, will come.
So what happening, guys, is see, when we talk about anything that we are allowing someone, right, we are saying that we are allowing, they are asking for our permission and we are going and say okay, see, someone wants to enter your house, the basic example, okay, someone wants to enter your house, you said okay, you can enter my house anytime, where you, this is the key, okay. So what type of issues I am creating, that any random person is able to come to my house, right?
Yes, ma'am. So here it should be none of the above.
Sorry.
For here it should be none of the above, last option.
Why none of the above? Think carefully, like there is someone is coming to your house, right? So what is compromised? Your privacy is compromised, no?
Yes, ma'am, but here the question, the people are not allowed. The people are allowing many permissions the app asks for.
Yes. So what they are saying, I want someone asked you, can I enter your house? You say okay, my house is open, enter. So your wardrobe is open, your cash account is open, everything is open. So your privacy is compromised, right? So answer is privacy, but why not other answers? I am asking that. Why not bias? Why not accountability?
Because by allowing many permissions the app asks for, no one is accountable to until. No one is answerable to until. So in that way, accountability won't come, and the first option, bias, also won't come because nobody is taught superior or nobody is good.
Okay, now next question.
One can be a good singer while he or she can also be a great sports person. Reasoning, humans possess same type of intelligence at the same level. Assertion is these words.
What's the answer?
C option. Assertion is true. These words.
Why not same? Because why reason is wrong? Tell me.
Because it does not mean that every person possesses the same type of intelligence, because the assertion is the reason is contradictory to assertion. When the assertion says that while one can possess this singing, the musical intelligence, the other can be a sports person. So everybody has different types of intelligence and in different levels.
So there are two different types of skills, which in the first it is okay, someone plays is a good singer, can also play, right? What it that means that the person can has excel in different areas. Two different areas are there, one is singing and one is sports. So one has the ability to do that, right? Now the reason is saying that human possess the same type of intelligence. It is false, because just earlier, because of that we have seen that one can have different abilities also. So the first question, first assertion is correct, but the reason for that is wrong. Because see, if human possesses a different intelligence, like musical, right, some linguistic, so these are two individual types of strengths, right? Not same. Playing sports is different and singing is different, girls.
Yes.
They are not same.
Yes.
That's why the reason is incorrect, because they are saying that a human can possess same type of intelligence. If they have said that human possess different type of intelligence at the same level, then it should be correct. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Statement 1. Pie chart can be used to compare numerical data against categorical data. Statement 2. Data used in pie chart should be continuous.
So what do you think?
Statement 1 is incorrect, because in pie chart, the pie chart is always used to compare both numerical data and not any categorical data. The y-axis and the x-axis both should contain numerical data, and then only be satisfied when we can draw pie chart. That's why statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. In pie chart, the data is correct.
Okay, so the issue is with the categorical data itself, right? Because pie charts are, right, unable to,
And we used to compare both numerical data.
right? So pie chart can be used for comparing numerical data against categorical data, right? So statement 1 is correct, right? Statement 1 is correct, no?
Yes, sir.
But
But can also be but in pie chart there is only one data that we compare, right? It's only one data that different people choose from them.
see, we can compare numerical data against categorical data. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect, no? That because it is saying data should be continuous.
No, I thought both statements are incorrect now, because in pie chart we only used to we don't compare right now. We only have one data, but it does not. But it need not be always numerical against one. It can also be both numerical data.
No, girls, I guess statement 1 is correct and the statement 2 is incorrect. What's the answer? What you have given the correct answer and the teacher has corrected it?
Mom, I forgot what I wrote and also the correct answer.
According to me, the pie chart, see what happens generally, girls, first statement is 100% correct, because what we are doing, we are creating a pie chart for the categorical differences only, no? A, B, and C, and we are assigning numerical values to it. So according to me, your option number C is correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll go with the next question.
Dash are people who face the problem that will be benefited from the solution. Through
Okay, this is the easy one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, girls, in the next session we'll be continuing NLP, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What topics of NLP that you want me to cover? Just tell me once. There is no practical part for NLP in your syllabus?
No, ma'am. For AI, we only have this.
Okay. Just tell
Ma'am,
me. Share me the
they haven't
image.
told which part we have for the upcoming exam.
Okay, so we'll complete NLP that is given in your subject. Okay, your book, you have shared me the book, no? That Facilitate one,
Yes, yes.
the Facilitator book we'll cover, and some pages you have shared me regarding your natural language processing, right? NLP AI PDF, right? We'll cover both of them. Then then next, which topic you are planning to cover after NLP?
From after NLP, I think we have evaluation.
What? Which one?
The next lesson, ma'am, evaluation.
Evaluation, right? Okay.
Yes,
After NLP, we'll continue with evaluation.
Yes, ma'am.
So, girls, let me know when is the next class.
Can we have it on Sunday? Ma'am, can you confirm if we can have it on Saturday or Sunday?
Okay, just let me know one day before.
Sure, miss.
Okay, great. Any doubts left, girls?
No doubts.
Okay. So we'll in the next. I hope the question paper is clear. Still, if you have any issues, no, let me know once. Okay, if you go through it. And regarding NLP, just revise it what we have done earlier. Everything is from the book itself. Still, you have any doubt? Ask me over the call. Okay. So let me know regarding Saturday or Sunday. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, guys. Good night. Take care.
Thank you.